Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 2. I'm here today for a head-to-head makeup battle between Janelle and Morgan. Before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Cassie was the winner of last week's contest. She won 96% of the vote at makeupbattle.com. Congratulations, Cassie! I also want to send a special shout out to Kayla for creating a fun puzzle piece makeup look. Both of us have already qualified for the grand finale in October. Okay, the challenge for today's battle is zombie makeup. Morgan and Janelle weren't able to join us, but they both sent footage of what they created for the challenge. Check it out.
Hey everybody, I'm back. Round 3, here we go. Whew, it's gonna be a big one. Zombie. That's the theme. Yeah. It's going to be rough. I already kind of gelled my hair. That kind of gives you an example as to how far I'm willing to go. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm about to start. I'm doing this at home because I really didn't want to make a giant mess in the studio. And I am planning to do some prosthetics. It may look a little weird, but basically what I'm doing... Ooh, that's a little bit drippy. Is cleaning the skin so I can apply all of my prosthetics. Oh yeah, we're gonna go deep. Let's keep going on the journey here. Ooh. Okay, so now y'all see how far I'm gonna go. Got a bald cap on. I'm waiting for it to dry, and then we're gonna continue. So. I know it looks super funny. I've got some of my prosthetics laid. I think most of them. Sorry, I'm checking out my edge. I'm like, I got some contacts in. I got some other stuff going on. In other words, I'm a hot mess. But we'll see how it goes. Continuing on. Whoo! Nice crooked little eye, by the way. It's okay. I'll fix it. Okay, I may have lied. I'm maybe now about halfway done. See, now you can see it's kind of coming together. Thumb! I also have this. The edges are a bit of a problem. Gonna have to hide them. But yeah, I'm still working. Still hoping, still praying. There we go. Give it a little bit of a sneak peek. Okay, continuing on. Okay, sorry for the dishwasher, but you're seeing me doing some final touches here and there. Oh yeah. I know it's a stark difference from when we started, right? You know, sometimes you gotta trust the process. Okay, almost ready. Okay, everyone, here's my final look. Ooh, she nasty. Yep, I'm gonna be taking some photos now. Got some good, oh god, that pus. You know. Yeah. Okay. I think enough said. Time for photos.
and I'm back again. But we are clearly not in the studio today. I'm just in the bathroom. And we're just gonna try to do this look as clean as I can. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Y'all already know I never know. So, yeah, I hope you guys just stay tuned and walk with me and see what we come up with, all right? Okay, so this is what I came up with so far. I still have some finishing touches to do, but for the most part, yeah, this is what it's looking like. Got some scratches, got some bangs coming out, a little sparkly, with a little glam, you know, we gotta give it a little glam. So yeah, I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. So the little added details, I'm pretty sure I added some more like blood stuff. Cut the shirt, don't mind this won't be in the picture, so that's why. But yeah, this is pretty much what I came up with. I guess I was kind of going for like glam, going for like glam type of thing. But yeah. So I hope y'all like it. I might take some pictures, y'all.
All right, guys, I want to thank everybody for watching Makeup Battle Season 2. Be sure to vote online at www.makeupbattle.com. We'll announce the winner on next week's show at 9. Bye.